my sexy ladies, yeah, get little.
Hi, my wonderful people out on a day to get a TV. So, guys, today we want to do two color mixing it together with plain material. You can see I'm holding Ankara. So, that's how you will be picking it. You pick it. Make sure you pick everything. So, I'm just trying to pick it. Yeah. So, you see the middle as I hold. So we're going to use rubber band to band that middle to bind it at the middle. Yeah. So you can see it. So this scarf now, I make sure the length is equal. So I'm going to tie it. I'm using it to tie it. So that's how we do it. You tie it. So after tying it, I'm just trying to arrange it very well. Yes. Yeah. So guys, after tying it, we are going to place it on our head. Going to place it on our head like this. Yeah. So I make sure we use the first hand to cover the back and use the second hand as well. So also use you lay it under the first one. So guys, you see as we did this, as I did it now, if there are some people that always tie their own at the stomach, so if you want to tie it on the stomach, make sure you look for a scarf that is not big like this, as in that turban that I'm wrapping on my head. So you make sure say the Ankara, the Ankara can big more than this, and it can also small like this. So you do the same process. What you need to do is just to tie it on your stomach, and make sure if you are putting on jeans, anything you are putting on, you make sure you draw it up and use it to cover the scarf at the back so that it won't appear. It's only this thing, the bow that people will be seeing at the front of your stomach. Hope you understand how you did that thing. So let's continue with the drop. So that place, you're going to sock it at the back. Don't mind me, I'm talking to someone is there with me, so I'm busy talking to the person. So as I'm talking, I'm doing the airdrop as well. So that is why you are seeing my mouth going up and down. So don't mind me, Jerry. So guys, I'm trying to lay that one as well at the back. So after laying it, we're going to soak it as well. You see, so you soak it there. You know now my eyes is not reach the back, but we still need to do it very well. So guys, after soaking it, you can see that we are done. So what we need is just to adjust the front. So adjust it. You see what I'm doing? So if you wish to leave your hole like this, as I do this now, if you wish to leave it like that, you can leave it. You see it, you can leave it. If you wish to leave it like that, you can leave. But with me, I still want to do what? I still want to pin it. I still want to stretch it and pin it together. And some people did not like putting a scarf and inside like this. Some prefer to place it at the front or other side. So anyone you wish like using, you can use it. So but me, I prefer using this side. So I'm trying to pin it. Then I've pinned the up as well. Guys, look at it now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at the back. Wow, so beautiful.